Hello Bladers. As a tropical country with a lot of beaches across the whole country, it is definitely a must to enjoy summer by going on a road trip to these beaches. No matter where you plan to go, don't forget to keep in mind these top 5 tips for your next summer outing. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Tips for your next summer trip. Number 1. Make sure that your vehicle is in tip-top condition. Always be ready and ensure that your car is in the best condition possible when you travel. No matter the distance of your travel, remember the acronym BLOW BAGGETS for your travel safely checklist. B. Battery. L. Lights. O. Oil. W. Water. B. Brakes. A. Air. G. Gas. E. Engine. T. Tires. S. Self. Number 2. Plan ahead. Before hitting the road, you must first identify the destination. Prepare your budget based on certain considerations such as the best stops and activities that you would want to do during the travel. Check out travel articles and blogs that could help you and your pals decide which hot destination you would want to go to. Number 3. Pack only what's necessary. A lot of us tend to overpack and bring many items as possible when we travel. As we bring a ton of stuff leaves little room for anything else that you might likely acquire during your trip. Just like our usual pass-a-loo-bong, souvenirs and gifts. It's an extra point if your car got great ample space for these stuff, however, bring only what you need. Travel light and pack light so your drive is smoother and you can bring home not just memories but awesome souvenirs too. Number 4. Practice safe and efficient driving techniques. Keep in mind that safety and efficient driving will bring us to our desired destination the best way. Take it easy on the brakes and avoid tailgating. Avoid over-revving your engine. To save on gas, another tip is to maintain a steady RPM when cruising. Drive safe even if we want to reach our destination quickly, it's better to take it slowly but surely. Number 5. Drink plenty of liquids. Fill up your reusable tumblers with water anywhere you go. And of course, make sure your car is hydrated too. Have a jug of water ready in your vehicle in case of overheating. And here is an extra tip: make the best memories and enjoy the travel. Wherever you go and whoever you're with, get more out of life and don't forget to create the most beautiful memories. Because you deserve to enjoy and have fun this summer. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.